Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alaba from Alaba the Unique Creations. I hope you guys are doing great. Today we'll be making pasta, and these are our ingredients. We have here Pamigiano cheese, a special kind of cheese that we use for pasta. We have full cream. We have beans. We have steak here, onion, garlic, pepper, and of course our pasta. This is Scotch bonnet pepper. It's very hot, that's why it's so small. Don't like so much pepper. So without any delay, let's start cooking. So my water is already boiling, and I'm going to just pour the pasta in. I have already salt and Maggi cube there, so I'll leave it to cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes while I make the sauce. Even though I'm going to mix it, but I'm just going to make the sauce first. So we have just a little bit of olive oil here. So I'm going to just fry my onions together with the garlic. Then I'll add my steak, my chopped steak. So I'll add my pepper. I've added my Maggi and salt at this time. I'm going to add the beans now.
Trying to get my feelings on this shit higher. Do another line if I get tired. She a real bad bitch, call her spit fire. When you wiggle all that shit, make me spit fire. When I didn't put these bitches on my fucking rider. Oh well, oh shit, I'm a fucking liar.
So our pasta is ready, so I'll leave that to cool down a bit. Then I will go ahead with the sauce. I think this is the right time to add the cream. Our beans is cooked enough. I don't like it to be too soft, and it becomes very soggy. Our cream sauce is ready. I'm going to mix the pasta sauce. So we are going to add the cheese now. Pamigiano cheese. So we just leave it to heat up. At the stove is off. It's just going to melt by itself. So we'll leave that. I'll cover it up. We'll leave that to heat up, then it will just all melt together. This pasta is ready. And this is how it's looking, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video today. This is our pasta Pamigiano. I hope you enjoyed this video today. I hope you learned one or two things. It looks so cute and mouth-watering. Let me know if you'll be trying this yourself. This is all I have for you guys this time. I hope to see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Let me know what you think about it. Until I see you next time. Bye. I